Today in class, we are going to put our STEAM learning journals on our STEAM portfolios. So I'm making this video to show you how to do it step by step. So the first thing you need to do is go to my Google Classroom. If you click on classwork, then you will see up at the top a category called STEAM, and you'll see the STEAM Learning Journal. Now, the reason it looks gray on mine is because I haven't made it live yet, but when you see it, it will be live. So when you click that assignment, it says, make a copy of the attached document and pay attention as I guide you through the steps of putting it on your portfolio. So you're going to open this document. It's going to be view only for you, and you're just going to make a copy. So you will go to File, Make a Copy, and I want you to rename it your name, 9th grade learning journal. Okay, so mine will be Trisha Klein, 9th grade learning journal, and you can erase template or you can keep it. That's fine. Then hit OK. Now, once you have your own copy, the next thing you need to do is find your STEAM portfolio, and that is the website you made last semester with Mr. Kitchen and Mr. Bennett. If you don't know how to find that website, go to sites.google.com. And if yours looks like mine, if you don't have a site listed right here, you can click New Google Sites. And if you click New Google Sites, it'll show you your websites. Okay, so now that I'm looking at recent sites, I see Mrs. Klein's portfolio. So I click on that. All right, so now I have my portfolio open and I have my learning journal open, and we're going to pause for a minute to let everyone catch up. All right, so once you have made a copy of your learning journal and you have your website open, what we're going to do is you should be in the editing version of your website. You know you're in the editing version because you can manipulate it. When you move your mouse around, you see all these things happening. So you're going to go to Pages and you're going to click Add a Page. Okay, so right down here where you see the plus sign, you're going to click Add a Page, New Page, and you're going to name it Learning Journal, STEAM Learning Journal, either one of those. Okay, so I'm going to do my new page, Learning Journal, and I'm going to click Done, and now I have a new page. Now, if I want that page to appear on my table of contents, my menu up here, you can just drag it around. So like if you want it to appear between these two, you can kind of move it around and you see how it moves around up here. Okay, so that's really up to you. I'm going to have it underneath academics for me. All right, so I'm on my learning journal page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my copy of the learning journal that I just made, and I'm going to put it on this page. And here's how I'm going to do that. So now I'm going to click on Insert, and I'm going to go to From Drive, because when I made a copy of the learning journal document, it saved it to my drive. So I'll go to From Drive, and you can search. Okay, so search for learning journal. Now multiple will show up for me because I have several copies of it. For you, you should just get one. All right, so click on the one that says your name, learning journal, and click insert. All right, so now that you have inserted it on the page, you'll see that you can see just like a little bit of the journal. What you can do is you can look at these dots, you can drag it so you can make it so it's like the whole page showing up. You kind of have to play around with a little bit. It's a little tricky, but you can make it bigger or you can make it smaller. But you can make it so that people can see as much of the learning journal as they want to here. All right, so once you have your learning journal inserted on your page, you're going to go ahead and click Publish. All right, and then I want you to click on Preview so you can look at your page and make sure that it's actually there. So now you should see your page that says Learning Journal, and then you should see your Learning Journal right here. Now, the cool thing is when people go to your website, they can scroll through your whole Learning Journal, they can see everything, and they can also click this little pop-out button, and they can go to it. So teachers can look at it, other students can look at it, and now your learning journal is in a safe place where you will always be able to find it. So that is how we put our learning journal on our website.